Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from ByBit to Binance. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also I'm going to leave a link to ByBit and Binance in the description below for you to sign up and get a $100 bonus. If this video will be helpful, make sure to leave a like on this video too. So once you are on your ByBit account, you want to go ahead to your assets. And from your assets, you want to, of course, click withdraw option right here. After that, you want to go ahead and select your USDT coin, or you just want to go ahead and search for it. So you're going to choose Tether. Now you will need an address. So also you need to check for a chain type. So as you can see, they have a lot of networks. So you're going to choose which one fits you the best. Now for the address, you want to go to your Binance, of course, and again, go to wallets. Their applications are really similar. So on Binance, you want to click deposit, search for USDT, choose USDT, and now you're going to choose a network. So again, Binance has a lot of networks too. So I suggest you to choose the one which you already have. So for example, let's choose maybe Tron network. After that, you're gonna go ahead, copy the address, go back to ByBit, enter the address here. Now you're gonna choose the chain type, so it's Tron. You're gonna enter the amount and click withdraw, and your money will be sent to your Binance. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.